first morning.
Wake up, sleepyhead. It's our first day in the new city.
What time is it?
Almost 8. We have a lot to do today.
I still can't believe we actually moved.
I know, it feels like a dream.
A dream with no furniture.
The movers are coming tomorrow with our stuff.
So we're sleeping on air mattresses again tonight?
At least the view is amazing. Look.
Wow. You're right. Look at those mountains.
That's why we chose this apartment.
Worth every penny. So what's the plan?
First, the DMV to transfer your license.
Then the post office for mail forwarding.
Yes, and we need to set up internet and electricity.
And we need groceries. The fridge is empty.
That's a full day. Let's get going.
Let me just finish this coffee first.
Fine. 5 minutes.
DMV visit.
Number 45. Next, please.
That's me. Hi, I need to transfer my driver's license.
Are you transferring from another state?
Yes, we just moved here from California.
Welcome. Can I see your current license?
Here it is. It's still valid for another year.
Good. Do you have proof of residence?
Yes, I have our new lease agreement.
Perfect. And a utility bill or bank statement?
We just moved in. No bills yet. Will the lease work?
Yes, the lease is fine for new residents.
Great. Do I need to take a test?
No written test for transfers with a valid license.
That's a relief.
You just need a new photo. Please look at the camera.
Ready?
Great. The transfer fee is $30. Credit or debit?
Credit, please.
Here's your temporary license. The official one arrives in 2 to 3 weeks by mail.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Driving to post office.
That wasn't so bad.
The DMV isn't always terrible.
We were lucky. The line wasn't long.
Now, the post office. Do you know why we need mail forwarding?
So our mail from California comes here, right?
Exactly. Things like bank letters, tax documents, insurance.
How long does it last?
1 year, and it's free through USPS.
That's actually really important. I didn't even think about it.
A lot of people forget, then they miss important letters.
Smart husband. The post office is right there.
Great, I'll run in and do it. Should be fast.
Mail forwarding.
Hi. How can I help you today?
I'd like to set up mail forwarding, please.
Sure. Are you moving locally or from another state?
From California. We arrived yesterday.
Welcome. I'll need your old address and new address.
Here's the form. I filled it out already.
Let me check. Everything looks correct.
When does the forwarding start?
We can start it as early as tomorrow. Full processing takes about a week.
How long does it last?
1 year for standard mail. You can extend it online.
And the cost?
Free. It's a standard USPS service for anyone who moves.
That's great. Is there anything else I should know?
Yes. Update your address directly with your bank and insurance, too. Some important mail can't be forwarded.
Good to know. Thank you for the tip.
You're welcome. Good luck with the move.
Internet setup.
Hi, I'd like to set up internet service at my new address.
Of course. What's the address?
247 Mountain View Lane, Apartment 3B.
Let me check coverage. Great news. Fiber optic is available.
What packages do you have?
Basic is 100 megabytes for $49.99. Premium is 300 megabytes for $69.99.
My husband works from home. He needs fast speed for video calls.
Then I'd recommend Premium, very stable for remote work.
Does that include a router?
Router rental is $10 a month, or you can use your own.
We'll use our own. Let's go with Premium.
When would you like installation?
As soon as possible, please.
I have Thursday between 2 and 4 p.m. Does that work?
Perfect. Is there an installation fee?
Free for new customers this month.
Wonderful. Sign me up.
Electricity setup.
Thank you for calling City Power. How can I help?
Hi, I need to open an electricity account for my new apartment.
Of course. Is this a new residence?
Yes, we just moved in yesterday. 247 Mountain View Lane, 3B.
Good news. Electricity is already active. We just need to transfer the account to your name.
Great. What do you need from me?
Full name, social security number, and a $100 deposit.
Is the deposit refundable?
Yes, after 12 months of on-time payments, it's fully refunded.
Fair enough. Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. Payment received. Now let's set up billing. What are my options? Paperless billing with automatic payment saves you 5% every month.
That's a no-brainer. Set that up, please.
Done. Your average bill will be around $80 to $100 per month.
Sounds reasonable. Thanks for making this easy.
You're welcome. Check your email for your online account login.
Grocery shopping.
Excuse me, do you have reusable shopping bags?
Yes, they're $1 each. Right over there.
Yes, please. We just moved here.
Do you need a cart?
Our kitchen is completely empty.
A big shopping trip. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thanks. Where's the dairy section?
Aisle 3. Milk, cheese, yogurt, eggs, all there.
Great. And where can I find cleaning supplies?
Aisle 8. We have a sale on laundry detergent this week.
Perfect. Do you carry organic produce?
Yes, our organic section is right next to the bakery.
I also need coffee. We can't survive without coffee.
Coffee is in aisle 5. We have a great local roast.
Local roast? I'll definitely try that.
It's the best in town, the red bag.
Thanks for all the help.
No problem. Enjoy settling in.
Pizza shop.
Hi, can I order a large pizza for takeout?
Sure. What toppings would you like?
Half pepperoni, half margarita.
Great combo. Anything to drink?
2 bottles of sparkling water, please.
Are you new around here?
We just moved here yesterday. It's been a crazy day.
Let me guess. DMV, post office, setting up utilities?
Exactly. How did you know?
Everyone who moves here does the same thing on day 1.
Is the pizza as good as Google reviews say?
Better. Best pizza in the neighborhood. About 15 minutes.
Perfect. My husband is in the car with groceries. We're starving.
I'll make it fast. That'll be $22.
Here's my card. Thank you.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
First dinner.
This pizza is incredible.
Best pizza in the neighborhood. They were right.
I can't believe we got everything done today.
New licenses, mail forwarding, internet, electricity, groceries.
We're officially residents of a new city.
Look, the city lights are coming on.
Wow, it's so beautiful from up here.
We definitely picked the right apartment.
Even sitting on the floor feels special tonight.
That's because we're together.
Aw, you always know the right thing to say.
What are you most excited about here?
Making new friends, exploring the mountains.
I saw there's a farmer's market every Sunday.
Let's go this weekend, our first outing here.
It's a date.
Tomorrow, the movers bring our furniture. Then it'll feel like home.
It already feels like home because you're here.
To new beginnings.
To us.